Let's look at dimensional analysis. That's where we convert one unit into another unit. A lot of times this happens in the middle of a word problem. You have to convert ounces to cups or miles to kilometers, something like that. Let's look at 30 centimeters is how many inches? And they give us our conversion here. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So using dimensional analysis, we start with what they give us, 30 centimeters. And now we're going to set up this conversion box, which is going to tell us what do we need to multiply and what do we need to divide. To figure out what numbers go where, we use the units. To convert it, we have inches to centimeters. I need to arrange inches and centimeters so that centimeters cancels out and I'm left with inches for my answer. Now to cancel things out, we know one has to be on top, one has to be on bottom. So I'm going to put centimeters in the bottom to cancel out those centimeters. And I'm going to put the inches up in the top because that's what I want my answer to be. So now I use the conversion. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So I put it in just like I read it. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. And it's all set up. I know that my answer is going to be in inches because that's the only unit left that hasn't been canceled out. So I just need to know, what do I multiply, what do I divide? Any number that's in the top, you multiply. Any number that's in the bottom, you divide. And you just work your way from left to right. So this is telling me I need to do 30 divided by 2.54. And that will give me the answer that we're looking for. 30 divided by 2.54. That is 11.81 approximately. And that is inches. The next one says 30 centimeters is how many feet? Okay, so let me go ahead and set up what we had already, 30 centimeters. We're going to convert that into inches to start with, so centimeters on bottom, inches on top. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. And you can put another box to keep going with your conversion. We crossed out centimeters. Now I need to change inches into feet. So I'm going to put another box. And I'm going to get the inches to cancel out by putting inches on bottom here, feet on top. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So my inches are going to be gone. I know now, looking at my units, that my answer will be in feet. And this tells me I need to do 30 divided by 2.54 and then divided by 12. So 30 divided by 2.54 divided by 12, 0.98 feet. One more. Let's convert 100 feet per second into miles per hour. So start with what they give us, 100 feet. And the per second, I'm going to put that underneath, 100 feet per 1 second. So here I'm starting with a number on top of another one. That's okay. 100 feet per second. Let's do some converting. Let's change feet into miles. So I'm going to put feet on the bottom to cancel out those feet, and I'm replacing it with miles. I need to know that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Analyzing my dimensions, right now, if I did that calculation, my units would be miles per second. I need miles per hour. So let's change seconds into hours. We'll do that in a couple steps. Get another box ready. I need to get rid of seconds. Seconds is on bottom, so I'm going to cancel out by putting seconds on top. And I'm going to change the seconds into minutes to start with. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. My seconds are being canceled out. So now my answer would be in miles per minute. Just have to change minutes into hours now. Minutes go on top to cancel out those minutes. Hours on the bottom. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So analyzing my units, I got miles per hour right there. Now just go left to right, multiplying numbers on top, dividing numbers on the bottom. So I need to do 100 divided by 5,280 times 60 because it's on top, and times another 60 because it's on top. That answer is 68.18 repeating, so approximately 68.18 miles per hour.